Hello guys, I'm going to walk you through the process of making your flight reservation. It's a straightforward process and this flight reservation is going to aid in your visa application. Mind you, it's a dummy ticket, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you have turned on the notification because how else will I create the application process for you? Stay tuned, do not go anywhere as I walk you through this process. So this is the website where you have to book your flight ticket for your visa application. First thing you notice is the link to the website will be dropped on the description box, but you could take it from the screen here, dummyticket.com. On this website, you can book any dummy ticket to any country in the world. The first step would be for you to scroll down, go through their pricing structure. As you can see, dummy ticket for visa purpose, they charge $19 per person for your flight, reservation and itinerary. If you want a dummy ticket and a hotel, they charge $35. If you want a dummy return ticket just for showing immigration, they charge $15. I tried to look for a website where you could pay nothing and book for free, but there were none. And if you go to any airline website to make your booking, the airline themselves would charge you. So there's no free way for this. So you click on this buy ticket. I must say that you need to stay to the end of this video because I have an alternative option where you can patronize me to make a flight ticket for much lesser than how much they charge. Again, dummy ticket for visa application $19, dummy return ticket $15, dummy hotel booking here $20, dummy ticket and hotel $35. So our concern is dummy ticket for visa application. It has been added. Now you're supposed to provide your information where you put Ifechukwu, put your son name, Eziefule, put your random date of birth. So let's put 99. Let's put this. Select your sex. If you want to add more than one passenger, you click on add passenger here. However, if you're the only traveler, you don't need to select that. It's definitely going to be a round trip because you're applying for a visa, except you're going for a study visa, then you probably don't need to click on round trip. But if you're going for visit, you're definitely going to have to show the entire itinerary of your travel. So round trip. City of origin, let's presume that you're traveling from Lagos, you're going to London. So departure date here, it's going to be, let's presume that you're traveling on the 30th of April to return May 10th. If you have any additional information, maybe I would like to have my dummy ticket booked on British Airways. Okay. So delivery options, visa application, you choose your delivery option, email, WhatsApp, both, anyone you want. They're definitely going to send it to you. Put your billing name, phone number, email address, you want to put that, country, street address, state. Then now you can see your order total sums up to $19. You put your card details here and click on pay. You can also pay by PayPal. Now to the sweet part is they charge you $19, but I can comfortably have this done for you at a much cheaper rate of $10, where I book on our own special platform. As you can see, it has my login here. So all I need to do is come in here and enter your name, then email address. Let's assume that my email is Ifechukwu Eziefule at gmail.com. I choose the flight itinerary I want. We said travel 30th April, Lagos to London. Multiple flight options come up. We have Virgin Atlantic, British Airways and a host of other airlines. Like I said, I would have preferred to fly British Airways, so I'll just select the British Airways one that I want. Then for return, we had selected May
London back to Lagos. This time I restrict it, so I just pick my flight. So you see, we have Lagos London, seat Lagos to London, London to Lagos. Then save my booking, and from here I can send the ticket directly to you. So this is the entry for sending the ticket. Once I click on enter, you see itinerary email sent. So this is actually a command prompt for flight booking, special for agencies, and I can do this for you for your dummy ticket for $10. And if you have a group, I'm not going to charge $19 per person or even $10 per person. If you have a group of person, there's discount code applicable. All you need to do is to contact me either on the comment section there on YouTube, or reach out to me on my Instagram, follow me and drop your comments that you want a dummy ticket. I'll respond to you within the hour or within 24 hours. You should get your dummy ticket sent to you. Like I said, you're going to see immediately how this itinerary is going to present in PDF format in the email, as I'll be showing you shortly. Okay, so we are in the email and you could see the same itinerary I booked on the Amadeus platform has come into the email. Here it has the details of the traveler, Eziefule Ifechukwu. It has the airline British Airways, departure details Lagos to London, 30 April has been booked, British Airways as well, 10th May for return date. Now that's not all. You also have an itinerary PDF copy that shows you, that you could clearly download, and shows you the itinerary that you can print and take to the embassy for your visa interview. So if you want this, I charge much lesser than the dummy tickets for visa website. So reach out to me on my Instagram, ifexmikael, or you can reach out to me by dropping a comment on this video and I'll respond. But you still need to move the transaction to my Instagram so that I can get you the details and forward to your email. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel.